This society was founded by Maithili Saran Gupta, IPS officer, a former Director General of Police Reform in Madhya Pradesh, who also served as its national president. The initiative is structured under the National Police Mission Framework, specifically designed as a Micro Mission 6 by the Bureau of Police Research and Development, BPRND, within the Ministry of Home Affairs. The goal is ambitious: to directly reduce crime across the India using technology-driven system like automated investigation support system. The key highlights: founder is Maithili Saran Gupta, former DGP, Police Reforms, Madhya Pradesh. Operational framework: under Micro Mission 6 of National Police Mission, coordinated by MHA under BPRND. Core strategy: technological tools, automated investigation support system, evidence integrity, digital tracking, community engagement to reduce the crime drastically. In summary, the Crime-Free Bharat Mission was launched by the NGO Shrestha Atmanirbhar Evam Aparadh Muktikaran Sanstha, founded and led by Maithili Saran Gupta, IPS, functioning as sanctioned micro mission under the National Police Mission Framework. कितना एक्यूरेट जवाब दिया?
जी बिल्कुल, इसमें तो कोई दो राय नहीं है सब।
मतलब I really appreciate they could know this much.
ये सब जो चैट जीपीटी है वहां से पूछते हैं कि क्राइम फ्री भारत मिशन क्या है, उसके बारे में ये बता करके दिया इन्होंने।
हाँ, नहीं, पहले ये बताया कि क्राइम फ्री भारत मिशन है क्या, फिर हमने पूछा कि किसने इसे लॉन्च किया, तो उसने पूरे डिटेल दिए जो भी हमने आपको पढ़ के सुनाया।
जी 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 जी।
आई